What's up and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Taylor and this is the 907 Fantasy Sports Betting page. And yesterday, congrats to all those that tailed. We hit the free play yesterday with absolute ease. Like, it was not even a sweat to hit that one. Cash in the bank. So that's what we like to see. We cashed the free play and we hit some the VIP slips. Today is the last day to join VIP for 75% off with the code NFL. And that's going to get you on any of the VIP gold level, college football, NFL season pass, and the full week pass. So all those are 75% off with the code NFL. That ends tonight. As well as you can get on the free plan. That's completely free to do. Send out multiple free plays there. I just sent out the free play for today that we're going to go over. So that's why you want to go over there and get on the Winible. I send them out there before they're even on YouTube here. So make sure to go over there and get subscribed to the free plan. That is completely free to do. So let's hop into the recap from yesterday. We hit this one from the YouTube free pick yesterday. We hit this one over on VIP with Swift and Robinson. He cashed that one in one single play. 81-yard touchdown run. Cashed that one with ease. He got over, it was like 230 yards of total yards for him. And then we hit this one on VIP as well, Josh Allen. That was a complete sweat. He threw a couple interceptions there, but the Bears won that one outright. Nice win there for us. Like I said, today is the last day for NFL, discounted 75% off with the code NFL over on Winible. So make sure to go get locked in over there. If you guys need any free money, that's going to be over on Chalkboard. They're going to give you $20 of free money to go play with. No deposit necessary. Just use the code 907 Fantasy when you're signing up. And that link is also down in there in the description below. Same with Chalkboard. This was the free pick that they gave out, the Josh Allen yesterday. But they're also going to give you $20 of free money to go and play with. When you use the code 907 Fantasy, they're going to also hook you up with a free pick. My guess is it's going to be Aaron Rodgers for Thursday night football. So make sure to go over there, get locked in, get your $20 over on Sleeper. So looking at today's schedule, we got a few college football games. New Mexico State at Liberty. Liberty's going to run it down their throats. Arkansas at South Alabama, and then Florida International at Western Kentucky. So I like Western Kentucky, and I like Liberty on the money line here. South Alabama, they're probably same there. So I like Liberty and Western Kentucky, though. And then that is the free play for today. So we're going Carolina Hurricanes in the NHL plus 1.5. They're playing against the San Jose Sharks. They should win that game outright on the money line, but just in case, we'll take them plus 1.5. Western Kentucky and Liberty, I like both of them on the money line as well. You could put all three of these in a slip just on the money lines, and I absolutely love that play as well. But we're going safe here, plus Liberty, Liberty plus 2.5, and Western Kentucky plus 2.5 as well. 5 into 816 there. So make sure to go get that locked in. This is over on ONYX. If you guys need a link to ONYX, that's going to be down in the description below. So make sure to go over there and get locked in over on ONYX, as well as if you go over on the Winible. I just sent this play out, and that link is there on Winible. So if you use this link, they're going to give you $100 in bonus bets just for signing up and using that link. So good luck with all of your plays today. Let's go have another amazing day, and let's go cash some slips. Get over here on the Winible, get locked in. Good luck with all your plays today. Make sure you subscribe and like the video down below. All the links are going to be down in the description below for all the Sleeper, Chalkboard, ONYX, BETR, all of them. They're all going to be down there below, so make sure to go get that locked in. Good luck. Let's go have another amazing day and go make some money tonight. So peace out, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.